Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ferdinan Rusadi. My NPM is 2411069 and I will present its material The Art of Evaluating Statement Thinking Like a Detective. How to examine claims, test reason and reach reliable conclusion by combining logic, evidence, and systematic skepticism. Slide 1 is what are we evaluating statement and arguments. Statement, a single claim that can be true or false. The unit of evaluation. An argument, a set of statement premises, is a reason offered to support a conclusion. And last is evaluation goal. This set whether the conclusion is supported too strongly, weakly, or not at all. The by premises. And the two pillars of argument evaluation. Examines the logical connection between premises and conclusion. 2. K tips. Deductive. If premises are true, the conclusion must be true. Inducative. If premises are true, the conclusion is likely but not guaranteed. And content. Assess the truth, reliability, and relevance of the premises themselves, evidence, sources, and plausibility. And deductive versus inducative. Quick reference. Deductive example: all men are immortal. All men are mortal. Socrates is a man. Therefore, Socrates is mortal. Guarantees truth if premises are true. Inducative example: if only seen with swans, too, therefore all swans are white. Probable but susceptible to new counterexamples. And real world application, AI and fraud detection. Our AI system convert reasoning patterns into precise mathematical rules. In a Dutch police pilot, an AI model evaluates fraud intent using clear input features, time signs order, web sub URL, transaction patterns to flag likely internet fraud. The system framework product consistent best answer within its assumptions to not absolute truth, but optimal decision given its design and data. Case models are only as reliable as their assumptions, input, and validation against real cases. And the power of logical thinking. From doubt to certainty. Clarify the claim. Identify the exact statement and its scope to avoid vagueness. 2. Examine form. Ask do the premises logical support the conclusion deductive versus inducative. And 3. Test content. Verify sources, check evidence, and look for counterexamples or biases. And number 4 is reach a reasoned judgment. Classify the argument, valid or not or invalid, strong or weak, and record confident and next steps. How to come clearer behaves, defensible decision, and the ability to refuse when new evidence appears.